actually works, and it is super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly. Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Jurassic World The Game hack for iOS and Android. So it's just super cool guys, fully works. So let's get into the video. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, we have Jurassic World The Game. We're going to open it up and you can see that I'm broke, but not anymore. We have the button and then free cash. So I'm going to turn this on and now the cash should start going up. So let's see if it goes up. And hopefully we'll be rich on Jurassic World The Game. So I'm just going to see if it goes up and then we're going to be rich. So let's see what happens. So yeah, no change unfortunately, but it might happen. So bang guys, as you can see it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download your device, iOS and Android. So let's get into the video. So first things first, just go to tweakmode.com right here and type in Jurassic and then press on it, press download. Last thing we have to do is the verification. So this is just where you have to download 2 apps, follow instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So last thing we got to do is the verification. So you just got to download 2 of these apps. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do DraftKings Casino, you know, Travel Town, whatever. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps. And that's how you get Jurassic World The Game hack. So it's super cool, guys. Fully works. So as you can see, guys, we can get free cash, VIP, damage reflex, status immunity, auto block, shield breaker, speed boost, just damage boost, all this stuff. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to get it for your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yeah, make sure you do the verification, down the 2 apps and you should be all set. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, I mean, I've tried a number of these and this is the only real way to get Jurassic World The Game hack to make you rich. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'm just trying to help you guys out, honestly. But yeah, super cool. So yeah, fully works for iOS and Android, guys. So try it out, enjoy it, and live for this Jurassic World The Game hack. So yeah, it's updated and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, I mean, free money is great, free cash, but yeah, it's pretty wild. So I'm gonna see you guys later, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, this actually is updated and everything. So yeah, peace out, gang. This is super cool, totally works. So hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, I mean, I've tried a couple other hacks. This is the only one I'd recommend. But yeah, it's super cool. Also, if you press help, you can see the video. So that's pretty cool. So this tutorial might help you more. So that is crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get Jurassic World The Game hack for iOS and Android. So yeah, super cool, guys. Fully works. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So I don't think you guys will either. So yeah, that's so cool. So as you can see, free money, guys. So try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys. And yeah, no jailbreak. So peace out. But yeah, get the word out. This is fully updated and everything. So if this tutorial works for you guys, be sure to share it. It's super cool, guys. Fully updated and all. So peace out, gang. This is wild. Damn.